Welcome to my craft room accountability video for 2025. It is New Year's Eve. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're having a great day. And I just want to share with you what I've actually accomplished because we got floor friends, but we're not done yet. So when you walk into my craft room, I'm going to have this lovely little shopping bin because this is my yarn store for 2026. As much as possible, I do not want to buy any yarn. I want to use what I have. Now, all of these yarns hanging down drive me crazy, so I am going to go from shelf to shelf and organize better. But right now, I've just been kind of throwing in the like-minded yarn in each bin. And I know it doesn't look like much, but these two bins is my market stuff, mitten clips, and stuff for my tags. So this will get removed after some projects that I have in mind. Here's the thing that, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm even showing you this. I just throw stuff on here. This is how I organize, and I can't find needles. It is disgusting and disgraceful. And all of these drawers are empty. So my goal is to get the rest of the stuff off the floor, pull out these drawers and get little bins and start organizing stuff, putting all of my needles away. And I am going to have nothing on this floor, nothing, because I'm going to bring a table in here. I made room on this shelf, so I'm going to be putting bigger kits and extra books down here, so I don't think I'm going to need to buy a bookshelf. I mean, how's your day going? I feel pretty good. I'm not going to show you myself because I'm in my pajamas right now. I am. And here's the other part that's, I don't want to call it a stressor, but there's bags, there's patterns. I have, well, you can't really see it, but underneath there, the patterns are somewhat separated. We've got some books here, and then we've got a whole bunch of stuff in these bins. So these bins need to be organized again. They're essentially things like a cross-stitch project that I've kind of abandoned that I need to get back to. Little kits and whatnot. And I have all my buttons downstairs that I really need to organize as well. So we are not done yet, but we are in a much better shape than we were. Some of the things like this bin is yarn for certain projects for my markets. I think each month I'm going to pick an animal theme, like January will be fox month, and I'll make a whole bunch of fox things, mittens and fox door stops. Sorry, I had a bit of a coughing fit before we got on here. It's kind of dry. As I said, fox mittens, stoles, whole bunch of market stuff, and we'll have one or two me makes. So I feel like we're getting there. I don't know if I'm going to keep going right now. Look at this. I'm gonna hang this up somewhere. A cute chick and an old crow roost here. I'm a little bit older than he is, but we'll call him an old crow nonetheless. Anyways, I hope you're all doing well, that you have big, glorious plans for 2026. The next time you see this is going to be empty. Okay, pray for me. Bye-bye.